Hello and welcome to mycadsite.com. We're going to do exercise 3, and this is actually a practice exercise for tutorial 1-3. And we're just going to start by drawing the shape on the left and do it a couple different ways. And the first way I'll do that is using the multi-line command, which, as you learned, draws parallel lines. And so I start the command, and first thing I'll do is set the scale, which is the distance between the two parallel lines. And for this exercise it is 0.25, 1/4 of a unit. And next I set the justification, and I will be drawing the bottom line with the offset being to the top. So I type in B and enter, and then I can enter my first point, which is 2, 2. And I'm just going to quickly use relative points to draw around the shape, going up 4 units, and to the left 2 units, and down 2 units, and to the left 2 units. And finally, to close out the multi-lines, I want to use the C option for close, and it's done. So that's one way of doing it, and I'm just going to quickly show you a secondary way, and that is to first of all erase the existing one, and I'm going to draw a line, a series of lines, and then offset those lines. So I'll start at the same 2, 2, and go over 4, up 4, 2 to the left, 2 units down, -2 in the X, and once again C for close. So I've got that same basic shape. Now I want to offset these lines 0.25. So I select and pick to the middle, and I have all those done, and I'll press enter to finish that command. So I'm going to trim these, and I trim all these lines out. So undo, Control Z, and I can just continue along inside the trim command. And that's got all of those except for the one at the center of the object. And for that I will use the fillet command, and I just type F, enter, and select those 2 lines, and it's complete. And if I dimension this, you'll see that it is 4 units and 4 units tall. Next thing we'll do is draw the 2 lines on the right side of the exercise, and the first line starts at 4, 1 absolute points, going to 9, 0.5, and I'm just entering 0.5 as I don't need to enter the 0. And the second line starts at 9, 6 and goes perpendicular to the other line. And you see I can only have endpoint or midpoint selected for my OSNAPS, so I type in PER for perpendicular and snap to the line. Those lines are now at a 90-degree angle, and I will do an angular dimension on that just to confirm that yes, it is 90 degrees. And that completes the exercise. Thanks for watching mycadsite.com. Goodbye.